Queens. Today on Foodie Friday, we're gonna be making chicken strips, but not from chicken. Oyster mushrooms. Yeah. Yay, yay, yay. You see how I get excited when it's about to be meat time. We're gonna go through the whole process. You ready? Let's go. Now that I've gotten everything set up, what I wanted to show you is how I prepare everything. Okay, in this bowl I have flaxseed, which I just add, water to make it like a gel-like substance, like egg consistency. And then I pour it into this bowl. And then in this bowl, I have my panko breadcrumbs mixed with all my seasonings. And you can use whatever seasonings that you choose. I don't do measurements with the seasonings because to each his own with its taste, right? Because, you know, some people like a lot of garlic, some people don't. So I just give you what I put into it, and you can put whatever you want into it to give it the taste of your choice. Okay, then all I do is got my mushrooms inside here, and I just turn it, stir it, stir it, stir it, get it wet. Take it out of here, put it into the batter, toss, toss. You can smell all of the seasonings inside. It smells so good. Stir, 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 get it all in there. And after we do all that, get it mixed in, it's time to go to the air fryer. Or should I say, okay, here we go. There we go. Look how beautiful and flaky that is. Now we're just gonna let the air fryer do its frying, or air frying and frying. Say bye. Going in is mushrooms.
Girl, close the thing.
While that's in the air fryer, we're gonna go ahead and cut up our veggies. What I wanted to tell you guys beforehand, that when you're picking up your produce at the stores, if you're truly looking for organic foods, you need to look for the number 9 at the beginning. A lot of them start with 4, some of them start with 3, but if you look for the number 9, that lets you know that it is organic. And I just wanted to let you guys in on that little secret. Okay, now I'm getting ready to cut up my tomato, which is organic. Yes, organic. Look at all that juice. Now, I'm going to saute my onions and get my peppers just a little taint of softness, because we're gonna put all of this flavor on a sandwich. Yes, look at the crunch, look at the tint. The tint, we getting some dark faux meat. Yes, not done yet, be back in a minute. Now that everything is done, I have my chicken strips, and I have my sauteed onions, and I got my peppers, and I got my cheese, vegan cheese, and I got my vegan mayo. No soy, soy-free, however you want to say it. And I got my buns. For some reason, to me, when you eat like this or eat this chicken strip, mushroom type, it is so good on a bun. Not shortbread, a bun. So here we go. Let me go ahead and put my mayo on my bun. Yes, I like mayo or Veggies. Got that. I'm gonna put that over to the side. Now, how do I want to layer this? What do I want to taste at the end and what I want to taste at the top? Decisions. Okay, so I think I'm gonna go ahead and put my cheese. Sprinkle me some cheese on there. Sprinkle me some cheese. Do I want a little more cheese? I do. Oh, yes. Now I'm going to add a tomato. Now, when I start layering, you know what I mean? I like to give it also some more seasoning. So I'm gonna grab my garlic salt and I'm going to sprinkle a little garlic on top of the tomato. Now I'm gonna add my sauteed onions and peppers. Oh, this is so good. Now, the meat. Look at the crust. Yes. Ooh. 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 It won't stay. It's so good. I am being greedy.
That piece don't want to stay.
I'm gonna eat you. Stay. I want you guys to see, just eating it like this. Look at the front. It is so good. It is so good, seasoned. And the finished product is here. Yes, yes. Okay. You don't have to just eat the chicken strips by themselves. You can also incorporate some sweet potato fries and some fresh strawberries. And that is what I have done today. And now it's time to taste. Yes. Look at all this goodness. Okay. Don't judge me. You can taste the seasoning in every bite. Even though I just took one, but you can taste the seasoning. And have yourself a sweet potato fry. No oil. Pop it in your air fryer. And here's a crisp taste too. I also wanted to show you guys how you can also have these chicken fingers. I had some left over here and I created just a little sauce. A little garlic, a little Veggies, and some sriracha. Take your piece, just that simple. Dip, ooh. Dip. Excellent. I just created 2 meals out of 1 container of oyster mushrooms for only $4.99. Where are they doing that at? I want to thank you guys for coming hanging out with me on Foodie Friday, because I always want to give you alternatives that you can have that are amazing, and you can make them amazing. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that notification bell either. We'll see you on Friday on Foodie Friday. Love you guys. I can go eat.